Good day, Les Waller here. How do you create a footer menu using Blocksy? Let's find out. So I have converted themes on this website and I want to have a footer menu that has my privacy policy and affiliate disclosures. Now, as we can see, we have a menu up here on the top with About Me, Affiliate Disclosure, and Privacy Policy. Well, I just want to have the About Me on top and the home page. So how do we go about changing that? Well, we go into the back end of our website. So from the dashboard, we come over here, Appearance, we click on Menus. We scroll down, create your first menu. Now, actually, as you can see, it already has a menu, but we've converted themes, so it's not picking it up. So here we go, create your first menu. To do that, all we need to do is do with the menu name. We've already used some here, so they auto suggest. So I'm going to go with main header, and it's going to go header menu 1. Click create. Now that that's been created, it gives us some options. What do we want to have there? We want to have home and about me. Let's go ahead. This is most recent. We have about me. Let's go to view all. There's home. Click home, about me, add to menu. Right, there it is. Save menu. Once it's come back like that, then we head over to our page here. Let's hit refresh. There you go. Home, about me. What about the footer? Currently we have nothing. First thing we need to do is create a new menu. Menu name, I'm going to go with footer menu. Select footer menu. Select create menu. What do we want to have there? We want to have the affiliate disclosure and privacy policy. Add to menu. Save menu. Let's go to our page. Refresh. And there's no footer menu. What do we do? Haha! That's why I made this video, to show you exactly what we need to do. So from here, we want to go to Appearance, Customize. Over here, we select footer. We click and grab menu. Bring it over here. I want to put it centered above the copyright, right there. Save draft. That's interesting. All right, let's go ahead and take a look over here. Refresh. It's not there. Why not? Because it said save draft, right? We want to publish this. What are we missing here? Why does that say save draft? We want to publish this. Aha! Action! So I click the settings button. We want to publish. Boom! And now we go back to here. Hit refresh. Bada bing, bada boom. Affiliate disclosure, privacy policy on the bottom. Home, about me on the top. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How to make new menus using Blocksy on your website. Thanks for watching.